Let's face it, commuting is chaos. Honking cars, screeching trains, loud phone calls, someone eating an egg sandwich at 8 a.m.? No please, the only real way to reclaim your peace and your sanity are a top-tier pair of noise-canceling earbuds. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. After testing a ton, here are the best 3 earbuds to keep the outside world where it belongs, outside your ears of course. The first are Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2nd Gen. These are the absolute kings of silence. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds shut the world out like you're stepping into a private soundproof studio. Even without music, they do an amazing job of dulling the noise. They're comfy, stylish, and the sound is rich, although the 6-hour battery's still a bit meh. Still, if you want the best ANC on the market, these are it. Then Sony WF-1000XM5 flagship earbuds aren't far behind either. While the ANC isn't Bose level, it's still excellent. Plus, the WF-1000XM5 sounds more refined, lasts longer, up to 7.5 hours, and comes with a bunch of ear tip options, including pink ones, which instantly makes them cooler. So if you value comfort and features, Sony might be your sweet spot. And if you're deep in the Apple family, then AirPods Pro 3 are the no-brainer pick. They seamlessly switch between your iPhone, Mac, and iPad. The ANC is much improved, battery life jumps up to 8 hours, and bonus features like a heart rate monitor and live translation make these the smartest buds on this list. Now you can commute in peace without hearing the person beside you breathe. So, which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.